Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching numbers in Sotho. Hlanu, hlanu. Hlanu means 5. Tshelela, tshelela. Tshelela means 6. Supa, supa. Supa means 7. Robedi, robedi. Robedi means 8. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.